is this course designed for? Well, we're targeting creative individuals with little to no coding experience, and that could include entry-level professionals. As I mentioned before, I help run a company called New Apprenticeship, where we take new upcoming talent, especially from the underserved communities. We train them up, we get interview prep, and we're moving them into a Fortune 500 company paid. That's with coaching and mentorship along those first 2 years of their apprenticeship. Now, we also are targeting those developers who, may have been in the development world doing full stack development, but not really in the AI space, and they want to break into that space. And of course, just overall general curious people who want to get more out of ChatGPT and squeeze more out of these models, having more control, more flexibility.